This is a Northern chassis that I've been working on. The original motor wasn't very good, and I tried to clean it up, but the fields were burned out apparently. So I had this idea, and I put magnets inside a 3D printed frame housing thingy that you see there. You might be able to see a little notch, a little gray, little silver notch. See if I can use my pointer here. Right there, a little notch there, and there's another one over there. Inside that sliver of a notch, it's an arc shape. I've put in arc-shaped magnets on both sides, and then I assemble this motor with the springs and the brushes and the armature and the brush holder, and then I wired it into my new reverse controller that we just finished, and it's running on AC power from my number 4P, not the number 2, but the number 4P, good for 100 watts. Anyway, it's running. There, you see it. There it is. It could run the smoke, and it would run this Northern. It's the first time that I've built a field set from 3D printing on my 3D printer, and put magnets in it and put it on the engine. I've had them run before, but nothing quite this engineered, I should say. Some of them are pretty crude, but these arc-shaped magnets are just cat's meow. I mean, I could actually tighten it up a little bit, make it a little smaller, but boy, it's really nice. It is really nice. I'm happy. And it's just thrown together old parts. I didn't clean much. I didn't do anything serious to it, but it's working. Making a little noise. But, hey, it's the first time, you know. I shut it off, shut it on, it came up again. Isn't that amazing? Yeah, pretty exciting. All right, I'm gonna have to build another one and get some more magnets and see what I can do. That means, listen to this. That means I can convert all of my DC motors to AC with this part. I print the part, put magnets in it, and just take out the AC fields, bolt this in, and put on DC power to the motor. I use my little board here. Now I'd have DC to the motor, and the motor is American Flyer converted to AC using 3D printed part. Holy moly, that's pretty new. That's pretty exciting. Look at all that room you get now. You don't have that big field sticking up, taking all that space. You can run your wiring through there. You could put lighting through there. You could put more of an extension to the cab in there. You could put these on any engine that did not have smoke, and then you could run smoke. You have lots of room for 3D printed smoke and stuff. Pretty exciting, I say. Pretty exciting. Okay, I'll post this because it's new. You haven't seen it, and I'm pretty happy about it. It's just amazing. Just amazing. All right, I'll post it, and we'll just see what else goes on later.